Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be taking you on a short trek to visit an amazing waterfalls. Popularly known as the Ezharakund Waterfalls, which is situated in the region of Kannnur district in the southern Indian state of Kerala. And so, come along with us to virtually explore this place. The Ezharakund Waterfalls is a collection of 7 waterfalls and hence the name Ezharakund Waterfalls, which means 7.5 pits in the Malayalam language, which is the regional language of Kerala. And this amazing place is just about 50 kilometers away from the Kannnur city. We reached the base of this waterfalls by car, traveling the whole way via Srikandapuram, Chemberi, Kudiyamala route, which is a pretty good way surrounded with lush green forest. The view of the waterfalls are not much visible when one passes by the road, except near the base station where the lower tiers of the waterfalls can be seen. As we reached the entrance to the base of the waterfalls, we parked our car at the parking lot and then walked inside to get the entry tickets. There is an ample space of parking at the parking lot, which is a real help for those who drive and come. Anyone can visit this place on all days except the public holidays from 9 am to 6 pm. And there is an entrance ticket with a base fee for those of you interested to do trekking and visit the waterfalls at the 7 different layers. You can easily reach the summit of the waterfalls after a short trek through the natural habitat and the forest, which is of course well maintained and quite safe. The trek can be easy to moderately difficult and takes about 30 to 45 minutes. And on the way, you can find security personals and guards who guide you along the way of the trek. The walkway along the trek is paved with small rocks and pebbles, and so it can be difficult for first time trekkers and also if you come in the rainy season, just like us. But of course, the metal side railings along the way are a great help while trekking. As I said earlier, this waterfalls comprises of 7 levels of rocky natural pools, which are of different sizes and depths. And the wonderful part is they contain crystal clear water for most part of the year. This waterfalls is surrounded by lush greenery and is an amazing destination for nature lovers and photographers. We could also see some tourists diving along the rocky pool to swim. And this is, of course, a beautiful place to go dipping amidst the rocky terrain with the natural beauty around. The flow of water in seven tiers creates seven waterfalls with beautiful clear pool at the end of each waterfall. And this is the amazing highlight of this place. The Ezharakund Waterfalls is one of the picturesque waterfalls of Kannnur district. Although the state government has done a lot to develop and maintain this destination, we felt that this is a hidden treasure which is still less explored. This is one of the tourist attractions in the northern part of Kerala, with lush green plains, lowy rivers, and cascading waterfalls. If you like to know more about the places we visit and the travels we do subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us. And after a trek of about 30 to 40 minutes, we reached the summit of the waterfalls. And this was really an amazing view of this waterfalls. The sound of water rushing on the rocks was really relaxing and refreshing. And here at the top, there are facilities to swim and play in the water pools. Safety jackets and safeguards are also at your help. As it was almost sunset and the skies appeared cloudy, we couldn't spend much time at the summit of the waterfalls. But we, of course, enjoyed the scenic beauty, took a lot of pictures, and had a relaxing time for a while. Now, to return back to the base of the waterfalls, you can either come down walking or you can hire a jeep from the summit. And we, of course, took a chance to come down walking, and that was a great fun. This was a short trek and a time to cherish as we visited the Ezharakund Waterfalls. And literally, it started raining when we reached the base of the waterfalls. Now, for any of you, those who would like to visit this place, you can find the exact location of this place in the description below. I hope you had a good time virtually trekking with us. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.